My name is Rose Ray. I'm double majoring in studio art and Spanish with a minor in art history, and I will be a graduating senior this May. So with UIndy, I really like just kind of the urban community environment. I was really excited to go to a school that's so close to downtown. That results in a lot of opportunities in terms of internships or jobs, just because you're in a major city. And so currently I'm working on my art capstone, which is for my senior exhibition. And so some of this work will be included in that. UIndy has helped connect me with a lot of opportunities to be in a teaching environment and get experience in a classroom. So in my Spanish major, I had to take a service learning course where I worked at Forest Glen Spanish Immersion Elementary, and that was a wonderful experience. Many thank yous. I could not be here without the scholarship. Because of your generous gifts, I've been able to attend UIndy, and without them, I would not have been able to get my college degrees. And I will always be just incredibly thankful and grateful that I now have the opportunity to pursue higher education at UIndy.